Right now, hundreds of teenagers here in Ohio are about to age out of the foster care system.
It's a challenging situation even in normal times, but in a pandemic, it could be catastrophic.
News 5's Emily Hamilton explained what's being done to protect those young adults during this transition period.
With each passing day, more than 200 teenagers in Ohio are one day closer to the uncertainty of being on their own.
The kids in foster care really don't have a lot of supports.
Tim Karras mentors a handful of those teens and has kept in contact using Zoom and FaceTime since social distancing recommendations began.
I mean, you think about it. In this quarantine, most of these kids that we're working with are stuck in group homes. They're not getting out at all.
In late April, Governor Mike DeWine vowed to keep more than 200 children who would otherwise be aging out of foster care in the system, financially supporting them until the pandemic passes.
So basically, if you remove these kids from the group homes and the foster care places they're at, you would basically be making these kids homeless. There will be no place for them to go.
One Northeast Ohio woman who asked not to be identified recalls feelings of hopelessness and confusion as she aged out of the foster care system at 18 years old.
There's no rule book to it, and there's a lot of stuff you have to figure out by yourself. I didn't know how to cook. I didn't know much about grocery shopping, about paying bills, budgeting. There's a lot of things that I had to figure out for myself.
She says while she appreciates Governor DeWine's temporary extension of those services, she fears the children aging out of the foster care system this year will be left scrambling to find new work, school, and living arrangements.
Because even after June 30th, the world effects for the economy because of the virus and the pandemic are still going to be going on for the next 6 months to a year of our lives.
Governor DeWine calling these services a safety net, but it's unclear just how long that safety net will be accessible. Emily Hamilton, News 5.